Homemade cough syrup. If you are sneezing or have a sore throat, don't go to the doctor right away. Better to stay home, warm up and prepare this homemade cough syrup. It is a natural expectorant, which also stops irritation and pain in the upper part of the throat. It is ideal for dry cough. To increase its effect, it is possible to add mint to definitely release that irritating tickle. The recipe for this homemade cough syrup is simple to make. You should only use 4 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of dry mint, 5 cups of water, 1.5 cups of honey. First, you need to chop the ginger and add it along with the mint to 5 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a boil and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. The next step is to let it cool down a bit. Then add the honey and stir until the mixture dissolves. Take a spoonful of this homemade cough syrup every few hours. This natural cough remedy can be stored in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 days. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.